Okay, good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Free Trader. Okay, I just want to show you quickly the stocks that I'll be watching this week, and I'm already in some of those stocks. Okay, I have 3 stocks for you, and just for a little disclaimer, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock. Always do your own due diligence before you invest your money. And these are stocks that I am watching, that I'm giving you to look into them. If you see any value in them, go ahead and play them as well. Okay, so I'm not telling you to buy or to sell. Okay, now let's look into them. Okay, the first one is Verizon, and I wanna say this before I keep bringing those stock up. The reason why I investing in those stocks, those companies are good companies. They are good. They are well-established company, and they're not gonna go bankrupt in few days or few years or few months. Okay, that's the reason why I'm gonna be playing them. I like playing blue chip stocks, but why? When they are on sale, when they're on discount, that's when I like getting in. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm choosing these 3 stocks for you. And the first one is Verizon. As I said, why? Verizon is on discount right now. It is at 55. I already got in at 54. So I'm waiting. If it can pull back again, I'm gonna add more onto it. But right now I'm up $1 already. But that's not the deal. The deal is to get it up at least at 58, and I can take my profit and I can get out. But if it pull back, I'm gonna add some. Okay, why? Because Verizon is at discount right now. It's not gonna stay at 55. It's gonna move at least 57, 58. I'm not sure, but I'm saying it because Verizon is a good company. You know, we all use internet, we all use phones and stuff like that. So it's gonna bounce at a certain point. Okay, the next one is Keylog. Keylog, you know, we all buy those cereals, we all buy those snacks. Kellogg's is a food. It's a how do you call it? Snack? I don't know. I'm gonna say it is like a food company. Okay, so yeah, but they make a lot of cereal, so they are on discount right now. I missed these low, so I told myself I'm not gonna chase it because I miss it. But once it came back around this level, I got in again. So this might be a good spot for you to get in, and you let it run. Okay, so it's up to you. Do your own research. If you like it, you get in. Okay, so the other one is KO. Okay, TKKO, which is Coca-Cola, and you guys all drink soda, soft drink, water. This is Coca-Cola. Okay, so Coca-Cola is at a support level as well. It is on discount, so I am already in. I'm waiting for it to pull back, or if it doesn't, I'm gonna take my profit around 51 and wait again. Okay, so remember, Coca-Cola gonna have earnings on the 10th of this month. So if you want, you can wait after the earning you got in, or if you want, you can get it now. Always do your own due diligence. Okay, always do your own research. I'm not here to tell you what to buy or to sell. So these are the 3 stocks that I am watching. Okay, the first one is Verizon, and the second one is Kellogg, and the last one, but not the least, is Coca-Cola. Okay, so do your own research and get them there. Those are blue chip stocks. I don't usually play with penny stocks. I want stocks. I want stocks that are well established, because I don't want to, I want to remove that that uncertainty that penny stocks brings. Okay, so I play with bully established, well established stocks. Okay, have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.